Do you or anybody in your family have yellow eyes, swelling in the legs, abdominal swelling, or loss of appetite or fatigue? This could be jaundice. Namaskar, Kolkata. This is Dr. Naveen Ganju, liver specialist from Bangalore at Vivacity. Today we are talking about jaundice, which is missed in many people these days, and we think nothing is happening with our patient. Anybody whom you see has yellow eyes, has been not eating, losing weight, and is sleeping all day and say that I don't have any energy. These are the signs and symptoms of jaundice initially. Later, this can continue and have many problems like liver cancer, gallbladder cancer, or something called hepatitis, which could be A, B, C, D, E. But in this, very important is if you are eating outside street food, which is very famous in Calcutta, from unhygienic places, you can get jaundice. So be careful where you eat food from, how hygienic it is. Hepatitis B and C, you go to a barber to get a shave or haircut, they don't change a blade. That one cut can give you a viral infection, which can be for lifelong, and it can damage your liver forever. So if this jaundice continues and we do not treat this in time, it can become liver cirrhosis. This liver cirrhosis is end stage disease which can lead to many problems like blood vomiting, loss of consciousness, water in the abdomen, and eventually liver cancer, and has no treatment but liver transplant. So we as a society and all of us together have to come and prevent liver cirrhosis and these deadly diseases. If anybody in our family or even us in our daily routine and busy schedule, we miss to find out these things, we treat early, we find early, we treat early, and then prevent these diseases, which is jaundice, a deadly disease, and becoming common because of our lifestyle. When somebody has got jaundice, first we try home remedies, home medications, dadi ka nuska. All these things are good, but they mask the deadly disease. You will see some improvement with these things, but eventually, if not caught early, it can progress. And once we go to a doctor, it is already late. So catch these things early, see a liver doctor at Vivacity Hospital, Madhyam Gram, Kolkata. We have a full-fledged liver department to treat these things. Let us catch early, see a liver doctor, and get finally cured of this jaundice. Let's fight this together.